How to become Yelp Elite. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can become Yelp Elite. The Yelp Elite Squad is an enthusiastic group of locals who write, photograph, and explore their way through the city and beyond. As a Help Elite member, you would receive a shiny badge on your profile and exclusive invitations to community events. So here is how you can become a Yelp Elite and you can earn the Yelp Elite badge. The first step is by customizing your profile. And how do you customize your profile? Move to the lower part of the screen, click on the main option. And then the first thing is by ensuring that you use a real photo of yourself as a profile photo. All right. And let's do that. Click on the profile image, grant your Yelp account access to your pictures, and then select the picture that you would like to use. Ensure you use a picture of yourself. Okay, so after uploading the picture, for the name, ensure your profile displays your real first name. Okay, now this is the name here. To edit it, just click on this and ensure that your profile displays your real first name. And also occasionally share your local event, your local adventures. Write reviews and share photos of your latest local adventures to showcase your local expertise. Then you can also check your city settings. Make sure the city on your profile reflects where you currently live. Okay, you can see the city be displayed here, and also you must be of legal drinking age before you can be given this badge. And also you must not be a business owner. This is because elite squad members cannot be business owners. So these are the steps of how you can become a Yep Elite, or how you can earn the Yep Elite badge. So good luck on your process. Thanks for watching and have a good day.